This is the experimental setup for notch apparatus provided by LabVision Technologies. It consists of a rectangular notch and a triangular notch. We have provided this in separate sections. Generally machines are combined setup, but we have provided this in separate sections. There is a measuring tank over here, and the whole setup consists of a sump tank of capacity 100 liters, a FPH motor, which is a pump which used to circulate the water over here. This wall is just to drain out the discharge. Other than this, there is a bypass wall, and there is a sphere walls. We will control the flow by using these two walls. Coming to that wall is just for the operation of closing and start storage of water in this particular measuring tank. As far as measurement is concerned about here we have 3 lines. As we start to close the wall, the water level will start as it is touching this line. As water level touching this line, we will close the wall. After that, if we want to take the readings for 5 centimeters, that is 5 centimeter height, we have to calculate the flow, because we have to calculate the flow. So 5 centimeter is the height, and length is about, that is 61 to 46, 15 centimeters, and the width is about 67 centimeters. That makes 67 into 15 into 5. That makes the volume, and divided by the time taken to fill this volume will give you the discharge. As it start flowing through this notch, either this notch or this notch, we will start calculating the reading, and there is a provision to calculate the height or the depth of the flow. We will place this depth gauge like this at the center point of this notch. As water start flowing, let us suppose water is flowing till this level, we will take the reading as 23, and as water start flowing from this, the level is something like that. Then we will tight it over here, and we will take the reading, that is 27 and half. 23 and half minus 27 and half, that is 4 centimeter flow over this notch. Same procedure will be adopted for this as the experiment is completed.